Welcome! In front of me I have POLAR Parcer Pro and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the Android phone. First thing you will need to do is to turn on your watch, and you can turn it on by pressing and holding the middle button right here. Keep holding the button until you see the Polar logo on the screen, and then you can release the button and wait until the watch turns on. And after the watch turns on, you will need to download and install the Polar Flow application on the phone you want to pair your watch with. So make sure you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled. Once you do, open the Play Store, tap on search and type in Polar Flow and tap on search. And you should see this application, Polar Flow. Tap on the install button to install it, and let's wait. And once the application is done installing, you can tap on the open button to open it. In the app, tap on accept, tap on OK. Oh, I missed the permission. Let me reopen the app actually. Tap on OK, and once you see this pop up, tap on allow. So we need to allow this permission. Then you can close the ad, and after you're done with the permissions, you should see the welcome page, and you need to log in into Polar Flow account. If you don't have an account, you can tap on create account button right here. I already have one, so I'm gonna tap on sign in, enter the email address and password. And then I can tap on sign in to log in. After you log in, you may see this page. Basically here we can set up a profile. For our account, you can change the sex, date of birth, height and weight. And once you're done, tap on continue. Here, tap on skip. And then you should see your Polar app, or rather the today page on the Polar app. Tap on the menu icon in the top left corner, tap on devices. And once you see this page, go to your watch, press the back button to open the menu. Then scroll through the menu by using the up and down buttons. Find the settings icon. Once you find it and select it, press the middle button. Then select general settings and press the middle button. Select pair and sync and press the middle button. Then select pair and sync phone, press the middle button, and the watch will enter pairing mode. And once it does, the app should detect your watch. And once it does, tap on start. Tap on pair and connect. Tap on pair, and then press the middle button to confirm. Once you see this page, here we can change a few settings for our watch. We can change the preferred wrist, we can change the language of the device, we can also change the preferred sleep time. Also, you can tap on OK right here, and it will ask you for the permission. You can allow it or deny it. I'm just gonna allow it. And as you can see, it keeps asking us for it. Can we skip this actually? Apparently we can. We need to allow it. So basically it wants us to allow the location for all the time for some reason. So let's allow it, and then we can tap on save and sync. Right here we can turn on the music controls. Basically, if you want to control the music with your watch, control the music on your phone with your watch, you can allow the permission and you will be able to do that. If you don't want to, you can tap on cancel. If you want to allow it, tap on allow. It will redirect you to the notification access. Here find the Polar Flow, tap on it, tap on the switch, tap on allow, and then you can go back. And you can also allow the second Polar Flow like that. And once you're done, you can go back. And as you can see, it says setup complete, and we can see the introduction of the watch. So basically see the tutorial how to use it, or tap on skip. I'm gonna tap on skip. And then when you go back to the today page, you can tap on the menu, tap on devices, and you should see your Polar Parcer Pro on the device page right here. So let's wait until it's done syncing with our phone. It will take a minute or two. Okay, and once it's done syncing with your phone, the devices are paired. Okay, and that's how you pair this watch with the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.